Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the Blue Light card and how to apply for it. The Blue Light card is a discount card made for people who work in public service and essential roles. It gives access to special offers, discounts, and deals from many popular brands and shops. The Blue Light card is available for people working in aged care, corrective services, fire and rescue, teachers and education support staff, disability and support services, healthcare, ambulance services, emergency services, and police. If you work in one of these roles, you may be eligible to apply. To apply for the Blue Light card, start by going to the official Blue Light card website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. You will then be asked to fill in a short form. Enter your personal email address. Make sure it is an email you can access. Next, type in your first name and last name. After that, add your date of birth. Then enter your phone number. Check that all details are correct before moving forward. Once you submit the form, your application will be reviewed. After approval, you will receive your Blue Light card. Thanks for watching.